All right, greetings and salutations, everyone. Welcome to the Crypto Truth, where I give you the truth as I see it. We're gonna go ahead and talk about a update from just a little bit. It says Holochain product owner and release coordinator with open source experience. So they're looking for people to work for them. So this is kind of like a little introduction. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I'm probably not qualified for this, but let's check it out, right? Maybe one of you guys out there will want to work. Let's see here. I would love to work for them, but let's check this out. Contract employment, full time, 100% remote work. Time zone, must be able to work during Europe and US times. I'm in the United States. Hey, point for me. Language, English fluency. Well, I think that's a point for me. All right, this opportunity is a rapidly growing disruptive global tech startup. About us, Holochain is our new open source framework infrastructure technology, excuse me guys, for distributed peer-to-peer applications. Holochain is fast, massively scalable, cost-effective, resource efficient, and energy efficient. Holo, which is built on Holochain, is a distributed cloud platform and marketplace for hosting and serving other Holochain applications to everyday users connected to the internet. Holo brings access, excuse me guys, I'm gonna bring my mic just a little bit closer there. Holo brings access to the distributed applications to the familiar web browser by creating an ecosystem and a currency that enables distributed hosting services provided by peers. With Holo, we envision a world where people own their own data and control their identity and privacy. A world where communities create together with patterns and tech designed to maximize individual, social, and environmental well-being. Our aim is to make distributed peer-to-peer computing accessible to everyone, where you will fit in. Okay, we are looking for an extremely proactive, energizing person who can be both supportive and a driver towards success. You will primarily support the Holochain team, which is building our open source distributed application framework. You will work as the product owner / PM, enabling the team to work efficiently towards the business needs defined by the Holo team and the broader ecosystem community of devs. This role requires someone who can hold high level to low level information and who is a systems thinker. This person must be responsible to people's needs and should bring or develop an understanding and commitment to open source community development. Now, I really do love this. I do have my this is one of those things to where, and I'm just going to talk about this real quick. For me, I have a master's in public administration, and I don't have any experience in it. However, obviously, public administration has a lot to deal with human resources, and obviously, that's part of the job. That's just the one element of it. Obviously, I have no human resource experience either because I did just graduate. But I will tell you guys this. It's going to be very, very difficult. Hopefully, they can find someone to fill this spot. And the reason why I say it might be difficult for them to fill it is because of the fact that you need someone who can hold high level to low level information and who is a systems thinker. It says this person must be responsive to people's needs and should bring or develop an understanding and commitment to open source community development. Now, I will say for me, it says this person must be responsive to people's needs. That is something that I absolutely do have experience in, as my customer service skills are off the charts, and I do have plenty of references for that. But that's not all it says. Here's what we got. What you will do: ensure that the dev team goals are clear and the vision is aligned with business objectives. Support daily technical coordination with our dev team to ensure the team is clear about priorities and dependencies. Encourage and synchronize with open source community activities based on organization objectives. Coordinate business and technical requirements, prioritizations, and timelines between our Holochain core dev team and downstream teams to ensure priority match our needs. This includes developing schedules and understanding the critical path. Wow. Now, I will tell you this. Developing schedules, man, that is my forte. Customer service and developing schedules, I am good at. You have to know what you're good at, and you have to know what you're weak at. And to be honest with you guys, I am not a huge tech guy. I'm not a dev guy, but I am an operations guy. I definitely am that. And I know this isn't for me to tell you guys what I am and what I'm not. But it's just very interesting. So if you guys fit this role here, please take a look at it. Here we go. You also will manage risks and resolve issues that affect release scope, schedule, and quality. Own issue resolution and recommend corrective actions to implement changes. Measure and monitor progress to ensure application releases are delivered on time and within budget, and that they meet or exceed expectations. Collaborate with stakeholders to manage expectations, provide timely communication, and resolve conflicts in support of driving successful delivery of releases. Now, I will tell you this. Man, looky here. I would love to have this part of the job. Collaborate with stakeholders to manage expectations, provide timely communication, and resolve conflicts in support of driving successful delivery of releases. Define and develop detailed project plans based on the given requirements and scope. Communicate release details and schedules to the organization as required. Coordinate with QA and delivery to plan and align all non-dev release activities. Support processes, improvements in the release process. Work with developers, DevOps, to improve and ensure reliable automation, releases and dashboards. Provide hands-on detailed work, i.e. making sure README are updated. So basically, yeah, you need a lot on here. All right, here we go. 2+ years of product ownership, Scrum Master and or technical project management experience, prefer telecom, IoT, OS, or other complex software systems. 8+ years of experience in software business and systems analysis or development. And I will tell you guys this, it would behoove the Holochain, it would behoove Holo to really think about, I mean, you guys look at this and it's like a litmus of things. And I would say they would probably need to divide this, and they need to have someone who is a scheduler, customer service / scheduler type guy, and that is their full-time job. It doesn't matter if you have to cut the income in half, but reality is that, and I've realized this within my experience, and maybe you guys can correct me on this, but a lot of times the people who have the greatest technical abilities, they cannot communicate very well. They're not great communicators. They're work oriented, meaning that they're prioritizing more of getting the work done rather than how it gets done. And sometimes that can not align with going back up to it says collaborate with stakeholders. I would like to know who these stakeholders are. All right, that's number one. So you know, when you're collaborating with stakeholders, that is that takes a person who is skillful with communication, number one, and also is skillful with being able to read people, being able to read personalities, different cultures. You have to really be an open person with these things. But a lot of times what you do is, especially when it comes to the work environment, and I'm just putting my 2 cents in with the work environment, we have all of these things that they want this person to be. And a lot of times there's only a very few people who can fit specifically within these time frames. It's between that rock and a hard place type thing, you know? All right, so moving on. Experience in open source team coordination, previous experience as a hands-on technical contributor or engineering, proven ability to coordinate with open source community activity, familiarity with distributed system design and understanding of the difficulties and problems of distributed computing strongly preferred, knowledge of statically typed programming language strongly preferred. All right, so now you want an IT guy that also have great communication skills as well. Formal training in agile project management practices preferred, familiarity with waterfall and agile development methodologies and their associated quality assurance methods, advanced knowledge and experience with the software development lifecycle, demonstrated ability to coordinate cross-functional work teams towards task completion, demonstrated effective leadership and analytical skills. I don't know if you guys took the Myers-Briggs test, but yeah, they're really looking for a needle in a haystack, and I highly doubt that whoever they hire will be able to fit every one of these boxes. I'm just throwing that out there. Advanced written and verbal communication skills are a must. Verbal communication skills obviously are a must. I mean, written skills in today's society, I mean, they have so many copy and paste. Obviously, you want to be able to think on the fly, but there's so many things out there that can help you with written skills. Obviously, verbal communications is a must. If you have to meet with stakeholders, if you have to have a meeting, if you have to have a and what do they call those? Presentation. Yeah. So if you are good with presenting things, that will be good. Broad understanding of computer science and software development principles and practices suitable for senior level contribution in an exceptionally complex project. And this is an exceptionally complex project. Knowledge of networking principles and protocols preferred. Comfort and knowledge of advanced cryptographic techniques and security protocols would be a bonus. So that's just a bonus there. Ease and familiarity and coordinated distributed using Git and GitHub in a consensus integration context, and able to quickly learn and contribute in a fast remote distributed working environment, sharing knowledge and seeking feedback. Comfort and experience with remote team operations is a must. All right. Some details of what we offer: generous salary, national currency, general bonus program. I guess that's HoloFuel. So supporting introductory period, regular team meetings, video, collaborative and inspiring culture, flexible work schedules and vacation, motivated, passionate. Hopefully that vacation time is not during the AMA. And I'm just going to throw that out there, and I'm just going to add this right now. How should I say this? The Holo team really do need someone that is their go-to guy, where people can ask questions, where they can really get the community involved in a positive way, because there's so much misinformation out there, and everyone has to dig for information. And that's why we got so many people out there who have all of this, these things. Oh, the team is dead. Things are going bad. Oh no, jump ship. All this stuff is because they do need someone. But let me tell you guys, like I stated before, what they're looking for and what they need, they really need to divide these activities, these jobs, that way it would be more beneficial to them, because you're not going to have an individual that's going to be able to fit all of these things. That's why salespeople are salespeople. Customer service people are customer service people. I'm horrible at sales. I'm just gonna throw you guys out there. I've been in sales. I'm really good. I should say this. I'm really good at sales. I'm really good at explaining things. I'm really good at doing a whole lot of things, but high pressure environments and also getting that sale, I can't do it. I just don't. I'm one of those people. If I'm trying to help you with a product and you don't understand, that's tough on you. I go on with my business, But obviously, when you're a salesperson, you got these highly stressful scenarios, and also, I do know my ABCs, always be closing, different things like that. So I've been in sales for a long time, but I've also been in customer service for a long time as well. Been a server for years. I was when I worked for a solar company, I was in customer service. Did a wonderful job, did an excellent job there. So yeah, I know what my flaws are. I know what my forte is. Definitely in customer service and problem solving. But I definitely think that they should split this job, or maybe in 3 or 4 positions, and I think that would be better for them. But hey, you know what? I'm not part of the Holo team. I can't tell them how to work their company. They've been doing a great job with getting the tech out. They've been doing a horrible job with communication. I'm sorry. I'm a Holochain. You guys know I'm a Holochain fan. I'm a Holo fan, but I do believe that they have problems when it comes to organization. They have problems when it comes to communication. And those are things that I think that they should have people specifically for, just to calm things down. And not only that, but once you're able to increase your communication with the community, that's how you get people, that's how you get more and more people involved. See, the product sells itself, and to be able to have people who want to come in and be a developer or work in some kind of capacity I do believe that it'd be an awesome thing. Now, I do see myself, you know, once I have an opportunity, I do see myself applying for a position in their human resources division if they ever have one. But again, that's what they have. Holo is an equal opportunity employer, and we celebrate our diverse, creative, and collaborative team. All right, I'm just gonna put on here. Let's see what they got. Let's see what you need. Become a Holonaut. It says it takes 7 minutes. Join us now to grow, build regenerative community and more human reach. Internet Holo is searching for Holonauts to join us. Journey to build a new regenerative economy and a more human internet. Now, I believe in this project. Obviously, as I stated before, I don't have any extra money. It would be nice to be able to work and gain extra money. But okay, it says what's your preferred first name and stuff like that. All right, so I'm just gonna stop it right there. I just want to let you guys know that the Holo team is trying to hire, which would be great. I would recommend you guys to come here often, learn about the community, look at the white papers, understand HOT and Holo Fuel, take a look at the events that's going out, and that'd be cool. So anyway, that's it for today. I just want to give you guys an update on that they are hiring for people, and if you guys fit the bill, apply. I do not fit the bill at all, not even close. I'm more of a customer service, problem solving type guy, scheduling type guy. So those are my 3 main things that I know for a fact that I'm extremely good at, especially the problem solving. But anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. You guys have a wonderful day. As I always say, please, please, please do your own research, do your own research, do your own research. And last but not least, stay safe out there, you guys. All right, bye.